Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today just a quick project for our GTS 300S, and what we did today is we used the stock side mirror as a phone mount or a camera mount in our case. So what I did, this is the stock side mirror, just cut it. As you can see, I took the bottom part because it's kind of hard to look for a left-handed thread. So since we have a bar and mirrors on the GTS, we're not going to use this anymore. I don't plan of installing it again. So we just use this instead. So I'll show you what I did. So here it is. Since we have this bar and mirrors, this is what we did. Cut it. This is the stock. Cut it, install it there. And my purpose of doing this, just so I can have a camera facing JM. So when we're doing our motovlog, different camera angle. If you have more than one device you want to attach, it's either camera or phone, cut the other one as well and then install it here. So this is our mount for the second camera. I got this from eBay. That's the brand. So there you have it, pretty solid mount. That's the idea. Instead of spending extra money looking for a mount that will go here, we just cut the stock one. And also, by the way, we installed this windshield. Again, that's from AliExpress. Not too bad. It's a complete smoke instead of the clear one, because we're trying to do two colors here, that green and black. So you can see we have the carbon fiber parts. It does kind of go with the stock trim, gloss black. Good fitment. You just have to figure out how to install it since it doesn't come with instruction. A quick DIY install on our GTS 300. DIY phone mount or camera mount. Like I said, easy work, easy install. See you guys on the next one. Peace.